Welcome back. Now news from sports. The artificial turf at Dhule Stadium should be ready for testing this month. Vice President of Goa Football Association, Lavinio Ribello, has confirmed that the contractors for laying the turf greenfields have promised to complete the work as early as possible.
The work on preparing concrete surface of ground for laying of the artificial turf is in progress. The drainage is also being taken care of. GFA Vice President of North Goa, Lavinio Ribello, took a stock of the situation.
On Sunday onwards, he's going to start the laying of the carpet on this field, which will tentatively get completed by 15th of November. At the same time, we have received another email from Dr. Saji Prabhakaran, who heads the FIFA's development office in Delhi. He has informed us that work will get over by 20th November. So laying of the carpet and testing of the field testing will be done on by 20th November.
Our reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
While the world debates on who is the best footballer on the globe, former World Player of the Year Luis Figo believes that the debate is meaningless as Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi cannot be compared. Figo, however, feels that his generation was rich in number of players who fought for the World Player Award, while currently the pool of talented players is very little.
Ever since Cristiano Ronaldo moved to Spain with Real Madrid, the footballing world has put a spotlight on Ronaldo and Barcelona's prolific footballer Lionel Messi. There is an ever-present debate on who amongst Ronaldo and Messi is the best player in the world. But one of the best players in all-time history of football, Luis Figo, feels Ronaldo and Messi cannot be compared like that.
I think you cannot compare when you have two great football players in the moment. I think comparison in this level is always bad because it's someone always that going to lose, no? And I think we have always to take the best of both, because if you choose which one you want for your team, of course you're going to choose both, no? Because they guarantee talent, they guarantee quality, goals, of course. I think you cannot compare because they are totally, in my point of view, totally different football players. And they play in a totally different system in their teams. And depends, of course, in which person likes one style and which person likes another one. So I prefer to keep and talk about the good things they have in both, than choose one, because I think it's always subjective. Talk about which one is better, which one is best.
While Ronaldo, Messi and few others have been constantly fighting it out for the accolades, Figo feels during his generation there were many players capable of winning world award.
I think the only difference from my generation that is probably right now you talk like in this point of view about 3-4 players, no? Who are the best football players. In my generation you have a lot of players to choose, so you don't have that kind of answer or question, because probably in my generation you can choose 10 or 15 players that can win the Golden Ball.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.